Hey guys, this is Production Music Live. My name is Francois. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make our drums sound a bit more natural, a bit more organic with this easy, quick trick right here. I have a drum rack here with 4 or 3 different ride samples, and I'm soloing it. This is how it plays in solo. And play it back all together. Okay, and you notice how it goes from left to right. It sounds quite natural, even if we are using 3 different samples out of our new Deep Premium Volume 4 sample pack. This one here just out now. We're using 3 ride samples. And now in order to make this a bit more interesting, other than only playing 3 different ride samples, like with such a pattern right here, what we can do is go to our drum rack and then go to our simpler device right here, go to controls, and here we have this area where it says Ran Pan, and this one is looking at 50% right now. So what is Ran Pan doing? Let's solo this one quickly and play only this part of the pattern. And you notice how it goes from left to right quite randomly. So what is Ranpan doing? If we take a look at the info section right here to the left, it says the degree of randomness to apply to the global pan position. So our global pan position is center for the drum rack. Our drum position or pan position for this drum sound right here is 8 to the left. And factoring that in, this sample is playing 8 to the left. But now on top of that, we are adding 50% randomness to this position. If I go to 0, no randomness will be applied, and we're just playing slightly to the left. You can also see that here in the level bars. And now we're introducing some randomness with Ran Pan. Make sure you're on stereo speakers while listening to this. You won't be able to hear much of a difference playing this in mono. Okay, and 50 seems to be a pretty interesting spot right here. And now if we combine this with other ride sounds, playing randomly around 50, and altogether we get a pretty natural and organic sounding pattern. If we put it in the sum with everything, kind of adds the supernatural feeling to an otherwise quite electronic track. Alright, so I think this is a very helpful little trick. I hope you enjoyed this little session. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and I hope to see you in the next one.